Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the True Range Pro expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and this one is a night scalping system with price reversion and smart grid management, mainly for EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame. And it looks interesting for quieter sessions, but I ran my standard test to see how it holds up. So ensure you stick around to the end of this video for the full details. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it by using the link in the description below. It's totally worth it, so check it out. Now, talking about the True Range Pro for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Actually, I'll be using the MetaTrader 5 version to explain, and for this review, this expert advisor goes for $495 US. It does has its signals, and we'll get into that later. It's quite popular with a 5-star rating, has 13 reviews from users who have bought it, and also it has comments especially from the developer himself. Yeah, we have some information here about their set files. So if you want some specific set files, you will have to send a message to the developer to get you one. Now, talking about the mechanism of the expert advisor, it's a fully automated night scalper that exploits price reversion using limit orders with stop loss and take profit. It enters during the night session based on indicators modified with machine learning like the RSI and the ATR based patterns for overextensions. Yes, if price moves against it, it applies a dynamic grid, and it also has this special active order feature that boosts performance with more open positions. We have the basket take profit, the trailing stop, the drawdown stop, and high spread protection to round it out. So basically it uses grid. It has grid applied into it, and you can also adjust this in the inputs if you do not want it. And it's optimized for EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame. Like I said, it's the default and backtested extensively from 2000 to 2023, and we have strong result like turning $3,000. We have some strong results which they said, like turning initial deposit of $3,000 to over $1 million, 1.3 million in net profit, profit factor of 3.17, and also the win rate is around 77% and solid recovery. Yeah, it's marketed as flexible with fixed or auto volume. We also have arithmetic geometric progression and good risk controls for both stable and high performance modes. All the settings are listed out here. The key settings and features they highlight include the hard stop loss per position. We also have the dynamic basket take profit, and these are the inputs I'm talking about. And also there is the active orders after certain position count. There's trailing with break even, overlap logic. We also have equity stop in fixed or relative modes, and we have max spread filter and session time controls. Then there's the volume management with progression types and position limits. It works on ECN accounts with 1:100 plus leverage, and they position it as a professional solution for night trading with machine learning edge and multiple protections. This is the live signal I showed you earlier. From 2023 it's been running to 2026, and we have a 46% growth. Initial deposit was $1,100, and since then it has made profit of $1,371 US. even though they added some additional $1,327 deposit to the account to have the equity sitting at 3,217. Looking at the statistics, we have an 83% win rate on the live. It's impressive, and they use the broker FBS. The average holding time is 10 days, so this expert advisor can hold trades for days, for hours, and it's currently active with its last trade taking 10 hours ago. Now, looking at this, I had the opportunity to run my own backtest to confirm, and I did it on the MetaTrader 5 on EURUSD on the 5-minute time frame as recommended from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 deposit, and total net profit came in around $2,074. Profit factor was about 1.81, and the max equity drawdown was about 19.4%, which is on the high side, but the balance drawdown was at 10%. So if you're trading with prop firms, you should be careful about these numbers. You should know how to set up your lot sizes and your risk to ensure that it doesn't blow up your challenge phases. The win rate held strong near 77% with 325 trades taken in general in total, and the equity curve trends upwards steadily with some dips during greed phases, but it recovers nicely overall. Yeah, and there's visible stress points but no blow ups in this period. Compared to their massive long-term showcases, this is more realistic. This is more realistic and conservative. Features that actually mattered are the grid step and basket take profits. This worked well, and also we have the active position logic, which likely helped. Then the spread filter and equity stop kept things in check. The thing is, night sessions can be quiet, but any volatility spike changes the game, as we all know it. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a capable night reversion grid expert advisor with decent tools and protections, but still, grid risks apply. Nuances will include spread and execution sensitivity, and potential for larger drawdowns in strong trends, just like we saw in my backtest. Implications will be that it's best in stable ranging conditions, and I'll say it's for experienced traders on EURUSD who monitor and use proper capital allocation. Avoid it if you want zero drawdown or your multi-pair simplicity, or maybe you have a tiny account. Yeah, you should probably avoid it, and ensure you always test on demo first before using any expert advisor, including the True Range Pro expert advisor. Now, like the video if these real tests help you out, subscribe and hit notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. We have a whole lot coming for you in a couple of days and weeks, so ensure you are subscribed and you have the notifications turned on to ensure you watch all of them. Now, comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.